Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I have a gem excavation kit. Like the other videos, I am going to have a bowl, fill it up with water in case it's too hard to dig the crystals out. And we have all of our crystals right here. So we're going to try to dig all of them out and see how they look. So now I'm going to open it. So we have a magnifying glass right here. We have our excavation paper, the crystals that we're going to find. We have a mallet, a brush, a chisel, and the most important one, our block. So now I have the block opened, and let's start with the mallet and the chisel. This mallet comes with a knife at the end, and also the paintbrush does too. So now I'm going to start in the center. Alright, so right now I can already see 3 gems or 4. I'm going to keep digging and see if I can get them out. And already I have my first gemstone. This is an amethyst block right here on this paper. And it's pretty small, so the other ones must be small too. And already I have my second gemstone, still covered in some dirt. I have a brush so I can brush it off and find out what gemstone this is. So I can already see this might be yellow iron, which is right here on the paper. Looks pretty similar, so it must be. So I can see another covered up gemstone right here. This must be carnelian. I'm going to dig it up and see if we can get it out quickly. And this is super loose. And I got it out. So this is red jasper, not carnelian. Right here. Red jasper. And I can already see some obsidian peeking out. I don't know what the other two are, but I can see some obsidian right down here. So this is actually not obsidian. Looks like quartz to me. Yeah, this is some translucent quartz. Or actually, it's white par. This is translucent white par. Okay, now I'm going to dig the other gemstones out and see what the next gemstone is. Okay, to me, this looks like it could be another amethyst. Maybe an amethyst single or a cluster. Let's see. Okay, so I did get a mini amethyst cluster. It's not very dark purple, but it's pretty nice. Very, very tiny. And I also see another gemstone right here. This must be turquoise. So I did get a gemstone out. I'm not sure what it is yet, so I'm going to brush this and see what this gemstone is. So this is lapis lazuli, as you can see on the paper right here. This is very dark blue and very nice. I can see that we have more crystals in here, which is right here. I wonder what this is. Maybe obsidian, maybe not. So I'm going to see what we can find. Oh, and I just got it out. This is maybe red jasper. So the other one was probably carnelian. I'm not sure, but once I wash this, I will know what it is. And as soon as I got that one out, I can see another crystal peeking through right here. So now I'm going to smash it, hammer it, and see what it is. I can already see it peeking through. I'm going to show you guys right here. Might be quartz. It's probably rose quartz, because there's a variety types of quartz. And I did get a rose quartz right here. As you can see, it's pink. If you see a pink quartz, it's guaranteed rose quartz. Right here. It's lighter than the image, but it is rose quartz. So right now, I dug up 8 and I have 4 more. So in total, I need to find 12 crystals. So far, I cannot see any crystals. So I'm going to keep digging and see what other crystals I can find. And I just cracked this crystal block open. There's nothing, and there's nothing in here either. So after 3 minutes of finding the other crystal, which was rose quartz, I see another crystal right here. So now I'm going to dig it out and see what kind of crystal it is. Oh, and I see another one right here. Looks like it'll be turquoise. So they're all right here. I'm going to keep digging in this area to see if I can get all of them out. And one is loose. Yep, this is turquoise, most likely turquoise. Goes right here. So now I have another one. This looks a little bit loose, but now I'm going to dig it out and see if I can get it out. And I did get it out. I'm not sure what this is. Let me check on here. So this is tiger's eye right here. So I found a chirosulphrase. I don't know if that's how you say it, but it's a green quartz crystal. So I got an obsidian crystal right here. And this is actually our last crystal, so I'm going to wash all of them and show you guys the crystals. So I excavated all of these crystals. Got 2 amethysts right here. And surprisingly, we found all the crystals. So here are the crystals under the magnifying glass. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.